Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Today I will show how to make a baby boy or girl very easy shoe pattern. First of all, you need 2 mm needle and 3 ply wool, chain 25, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now skip first stitch and put your needle in the second one and make single crochet. Make single crochet in each stitch till end. Like this. This is very easy pattern, very easy for beginners. I will be back in a moment. Now I finished my line, see, with a single crochet in all stitches. Now I will make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and turn my work. Skip the first stitch and put your needle in the second one. Make double crochet. Now put your needle in the skipped stitch from the back and make one more double crochet. Now this is our X stitch. Now again turn your wool over hook, skip one stitch, put your needle in the next, make double crochet, again make from the skipped stitch double crochet, another X, again skip one, in the next make double crochet and make double crochet from the skipped in the skipped stitch, skip one, next double crochet, again put your needle in the back skipped stitch and make double crochet. Skip, put your needle in the skipped stitch and make double crochet. Make these all till the end. I will be back. This is the end of my line. There is only one chain left, and make double crochet in the last one. This one, make double crochet. Now chain 1, turn your work again and make single crochet like before in each stitch, and repeat this pattern till when you have 14 centimeter in length. Repeat this pattern. Single crochet, cross stitch, single crochet. Now I will be back when I have 14 centimeter in length my work. Now I finished my last row of single crochet, and I have the cross stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cross stitch, and then 7 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is my single crochet line. So I have to leave long thread for stitch my boot. Make a slip stitch, and then now watch carefully. This is the right side. Okay, now watch this. Put your needle in the wool and stitch it like this. Okay, now watch this. Put your needle in the wool and stitch it like this. Pull your thread like this. Pull your thread like this, little bit tight, and stitch it from this side. Now stitch all the stitch together. Till here. This one is the middle of shoe. And stitch it It is very easy shoe. It is very easy shoe pattern for the beginners also. Now this one is my last stitch. Tight it. Cut the yarn. Now stitch your shoe from here. This is the back side of the shoe. it well. Very easy pattern. This is shoe for 3 to 6 months. Tight it. Cut extras. Now turn the shoe to the right side. Now this is your beautiful shoe. See? This is your beautiful shoe for your kid. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Meet you in another video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.